Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel with Eddie. As I told you before, you will be getting videos on daily vlogs and lifestyle. So today's video will be regarding travel. So right now we are in Ganganampur Stadium. This is the front gate, as you can see my backside. So let's explore. So today we came here to visit
medicine shop, but we have changed our mind and we came to
Ganganampur Stadium. As you can see, the stadium is quite big. I have no idea what is the capacity of the stadium.
We are going to explore the stadium.
It's already 8 o'clock. We are going back to our home, and before that we'll have some dinner. Oh, feels so good. Everything is nice today. Everything was very good.
Ain't no one